This is the men's 1,000 meters, often called the metric mile. Race that blends speed, endurance, intelligence, and perfect timing. Unlike pure sprint events, the 1,500 is not just about who is fastest, it's about who is smartest. Manusia masih jangan pro. Kedua cuma tadi kau dengar yang luar-luar. Jadi dari kayu kita melihat. ውድድሩ ተጀምሯል። በነገራችን ላይ የ1500 ሜትር ውድድር ተጀምሯል። As we can witness, the 1,500 meter race is on. Already started. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 1,000 meter. ነቁጥር ሁለት ያለ 1500 ሜትር ባለማስታወስ በዚህ ሰዓት በጣም ትክክል አለው። ብቻ ኢትዮጵያ ወጣት ባለ ገበታ ናት። አሁን ሬስ ኢዝ ኦን። Athletes are being tested from the beginning. In fact, this is a controlled start from the field. No one is rushing early. This is practical planning. በመጀመሪያዎቹ አካባቢ እንደምታያቸው ስለሚሄዱ ዘፓክ ስትሪት ታይትሊ ግሩፕ አዝራት አስማሚያ እያሳየች ትገኛለች። ጉልበት በደንብ መቆጠብ ነው።
እንግዲህ ሁለት መቶ የሚቀራቸው እንግዲህ ቅድም በ1500 በርካታ ዜናዎችን እንግዲህ ሆኖስ ነግረናል። አሸናፊዎች የሚባሉት በዘማስ ኮንትራክት ነው። ሻምፒዮን አሸናፊዎች በዘማስ ኮንትራክት
Absolutely, it's a bridge between short distance and mid distance, medium distance,
ምንድን ነው ሁለት ዙር ነው የሚቀራቸው እንግዲህ
Now 2 laps to go. As you can see, athletes are watching each other closely. No one wants to commit too early. It seems the competition again is going to be fierce. But the pace begins to gradually increase, as you can see. Once they turn towards the 100-meter start line, even the pace will increase. Mark my words, now the pace is getting up. Final laps are here. Bailey is approaching. Wow, the fail run. The pace is now significantly, you will see, increase very soon. Everyone was waiting for this moment. ሁሉም እቺን ጊዜ ነበር የሚጠብቀው አንድ ዙር እስክትቀር ድረስ። እንደምታዩት አሁን ፉክክሩ ጠበቅ እያለ ወደፊት ጉልበት እየጠየቀ እየመጣ ነው። The pace is now significantly higher. This is where the real racing begins. Athletes are moving into position for the final lap kick. የመጨረሻ ጉልበታቸውን የሚጠቀሙበት ሰዓት እየተዘጋጁ ነው። አሁን ገና እየተጠባበቁ ነው። The front back is stretching out. እንደምታዩት የፊት ለፊት ያሉ አትሌቶች ዘርዘር እያሉ ነው። አሁን ወሳኝ ሰዓት ደርሳለች። Everything is building towards this dramatic finish. Wow! Down the back straight, athletes begin to launch their kicks. One athlete from this is full speed now. No more tactics, only strength. What matters now? By far, we have seen number 1, number 2, number 3. gentlemen, that is why the 1,500 meters is one of the most exciting events in athletics. Strategy, patience, and the devastating final sprint all in one race. የሚገርም ነው። ዘዴ ያስፈልጋል፣ ትዕግስት ያስፈልጋል። በመጨረሻ ደግሞ ገና የሆነ አጨራረስ የሚጠይቅ በጣም አስቸጋሪ የሆነ 1500 ሜትር ውጤቱ እንደደረሰ በይፋ እናሳውቃለን። We now await the official results. DGR እናመሰግናለን። አሁን በዓለም አቀፉ አትሌቲክስ ደንብ መሰረት ቅድም እንደገለጽንላችሁ አትሌቶቹ ሜዳውን የሚዞሩበት ስነ ስርዓት እናካሄዳለን። Now, as a tradition in the world-class competitions, it is time for the athletes to take their final lap of honor around the stadium. I think that has been done. As we have seen, Gabi Thomas representing the athletes and the entire competition team has done that stadium round trip. Thank you to all who have been working tirelessly for ages to make this competition a success. Winners and competitors alike, every athlete who gave their heart on this track today. Now, we also would like to say congratulations and thank you on the behalf of the government and the people of Ethiopia. And the Ethiopian Athletics Federation would like to congratulate all athletes who have come across the world for this magnificent meeting in Addis Ababa. For us, this is more than a competition, this is a respect, unity and celebration of human performance. And to all our international athletes who have traveled from around the world, thank you for making Addis Ababa a stage of world athletics today. Take your moment, enjoy the applause. You have earned every cheer from the stadium. What a way to close an extraordinary day of sports.